A quick sauce tutorial for those looking to create a simple yet delicious sauce that is both sweet and tangy. Works great on fried chicken, as a seasoning for stir-fried greens, or a base for a flavoursome broth. Into a pot we add soy, honey, minced garlic and ginger, rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, and hoisin sauce. Bring to a boil, reduce heat and simmer for approximately 5 minutes, or until the sauce thickens a bit. Use straight away or store in an airtight container in the refrigerator or freezer.